Welcome to my channel.
12 quick breakfast recipes for a busy morning. Morning can often be like a race against the clock. As we rush to complete every house chores before leaving, we tend to skip breakfast and packet it to go along the way or eat when reach the destination. How about some quick recipes that can save your time? Have a look. 12 quick breakfast recipes. Overnight oats. Combine oats, milk and your favorite toppings in a jar and refrigerate overnight. Have ready-to-eat nutritious breakfast that is both filling and delicious. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain. Toast and top it with the sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's so satisfying. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits, granola and a touch of honey in a glass. It is a great source of protein and energy. Veggie omelet. Whisk eggs and pour them over sauté vegetables like bell peppers, spinach and mushrooms. Cook until set for a quick protein-rich breakfast option. Peanut butter banana sandwich. Spread peanut butter on whole grain bread and add sliced bananas. This sandwich provides a perfect balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits with yogurt or milk. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Top it with granola nuts and fresh berries. This smoothie is nutrients-packed. Breakfast burritos. Fill a whole grain tortilla with scrambled eggs, black beans, salsa and the sprinkle of cheese. Roll it up and have this protein-rich breakfast. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with milk or almond milk. Refrigerate for a few hours. Top with fruits and mixed nuts. Chia seed pudding is a source of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Whole grain cereal with milk. Low sugar whole grain cereal and pair it with your choice of milk. Add fresh fruit like berries or banana slices for extra flavor and nutrients. Veggie breakfast wrap. Wrap scrambled eggs, spinach, tomatoes, and cheese in a whole grain wrap. This breakfast combines protein, fiber, and vitamins. Cottage cheese and fruit bowl. Combine cottage cheese with your favorite fruits like pineapple, kiwi, and strawberries. This protein-packed bowl is satisfying. Energy bites. Prepare a batch of energy bites using oats, peanut butter, honey, nuts, and dried fruits. These bite-size snacks are a quick grab for breakfast. Do comment and let us know which breakfast idea you used.
Thanks for watching.